This is GSM based home security system. Let's see working of it. If we enter a password, this is default password 43210 and hash is for termination. If password is correct, then door will open automatically, and this GSM module will also send a message, text message on cell phone of user. We can see here the message user entered. And if we enter a wrong password, then door will not be opened, and this GSM module will send a SMS on your owner's mobile that unauthenticated access denied. Okay. Start. Now working. This project works on the ATmega 328, which contains a Arduino bootloader, Arduino UNO bootloader. This is ATmega 328 having 32 kilobit flash memory. First of all, the keypad sends an array of password to the microcontroller, which will be compared with the predefined password. If password is correct, then door will be opened automatically, and this serial data communication will send a command to the GSM module to send SMS to the owner's mobile of if the password is correct, then user entered, and if password is incorrect, then unauthenticated access denied. We used delay in this door opening system. The microcontroller sends the data to the motor driver IC L293D, and then DC motor rotates. We use delay for remains open the door. This is 16:2 LCD, which is showing enter password, and if we enters a password, it will show that too, and hash is for termination. This is power connector. This is on-off switch. This is 7805 voltage regulator IC for giving 5 voltage to the microcontroller. This is power LED. This is motor driver board, and this is power of motor driver, and this is SIM900A GSM module, and these are RX, TX and ground pins connected to the microcontroller, and this is antenna of this module, and this LED, green LED, shows the network indication, and this is power LED, and this states the module is on or off. This potentiometer is used to control the contrast of this LCD. This is reset switch for reset the whole system, and this is LED. This LED glows when the door will be opened. This is crystal oscillator of 16 MHz. These are two ceramic disc capacitors of 22 picofarads. Okay. For further details and the code of this project, you can contact me on the given link below. Okay, thank you.